In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the general channel in Slack. Before we begin, a quick note on expectations. The general channel is the default space that every member joins when they enter a workspace. Because of that, many organizations lock it down to prevent accidental removal. Depending on your plan and your role, you might not see the option to delete it at all. If you do have the necessary permissions and your workspace allows it, here's exactly how to proceed. We'll keep it simple and follow 4 clear actions. Open the channel, go to its settings, choose Delete, and confirm. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or in a browser, then switch to the workspace where you want to make the change. In the left sidebar, find and open the general channel. If your sidebar is crowded, use the search bar at the top to type General and jump straight into it. You'll know you're in the right place when the channel name appears at the top of the main window. Next, click the channel name at the top to open the Channel Details panel. This is where Slack stores options for things like members, notifications, and settings. In the panel that appears, locate the Settings tab. It often sits alongside tabs like About and Members. Click Settings to reveal the administrative actions available for this channel. If you don't see the Settings tab or it looks limited, that's a sign your permissions or workspace policies may prevent deletion. Now, within the Settings area, look for the option labeled Delete Channel. Slack typically places it near the bottom, often in a section with other advanced or irreversible actions. Click Delete Channel. Slack will display a clear warning explaining that this action is permanent and that messages and files in the channel will no longer be accessible to members once it's gone. Finally, confirm the deletion. The confirmation dialog may ask you to acknowledge the permanence of the action and in some cases to type the channel name to proceed. Read the prompts carefully, check any required acknowledgement box, and click the final delete or confirm button. Once you confirm, the general channel will be removed from the sidebar for all members, and they won't be able to post or view its message history anymore. That's the full process. Remember, if you don't see the delete channel option for general, it's likely restricted by your workspace settings or plan, and only an owner or admin with the right controls can make that change. Always double-check that you truly want it gone, because deletion is permanent.